If you're like most men, you've got a lot on your plate, and that plate is pretty full. Between work and family, it's hard to find time for yourself. Thankfully, there's one thing you can do each day to unwind and slip into relaxation: wear house slippers. Made from high-quality materials and designed with comfort in mind, men's house slippers take your style game to the next level while lounging around the home. These slippers also provide support for your feet, helping reduce stress on your joints, muscles, and back. This is especially important for those who spend their 9 to 5 sitting at a desk. But, with seemingly countless options in the market, it can quickly become a daunting task to choose a pair of slippers that look good and feel great. To help out, we've curated a list of top-rated men's house slippers for 2023. Let's take a look. Number 1. Rock Dove Men's House Slippers. Rock Dove Men's House Slippers are the classic two-tone slippers, offering the perfect combination of style and comfort. Crafted with a blend of cotton and spandex, these house slippers feature a breathable waffle knit upper that prevents odor and sweat buildup. With 360 degrees memory foam and plush lining, it provides ample cushioning to surround the foot comfortably. The half-inch heel cushion reduces pressure on your heel, whereas the 1/4-inch EVA layer has superior shock absorption capabilities, providing maximum traction on bumpy areas. Unlike other house slippers on market, these feature a spiky massage arch support that reduces foot stress and helps alleviate plantar fasciitis pain. Offering exceptional durability and fit, these slippers stand out as the best among other products on our list. Number 2. Izod Men's House Slippers. If you're looking for shoes that not only look good but also last a long time, then Izod Men's House Slippers are your best bet. Featuring a classic moccasin style, these slippers have a non-slip rigid TP rubber outsole that enhances traction on hardwood floors. Meanwhile, the high-density memory foam cushioning with faux fur lining is designed to keep your feet warm and comfortable all winter long. The soft and plush slippers have an easy slip-on design, so there's no need to worry about tying laces or wrestling with zippers. And, with the breathable material, these men's house slippers are perfect for different types of weather. Available in 5 different colors, they're the perfect gift for any man who loves to lounge around at home in style. Number 3. DL Men's House Slippers. DL Men's House Slippers feature a one-of-a-kind design to keep your feet happy after being on them all day. Featuring a knitted terry cloth upper with plush flannel lining, these slippers allow maximum air circulation while keeping your feet warm. Unlike other slippers that bunch up in the back, these have adjustable Velcro wraps for an optimal fit. Their memory foam cushioning provides support while you walk around, and the anti-shock EVA layer ensures a soft landing, alleviating foot pain and discomfort. The sturdy rubberized outsole helps protect your floors from scuffs and scratches while also providing traction on slippery surfaces like tile or hardwood floors. Designed for both indoors and outdoor use, these amazing slippers will last through years of wear and tear. Number 4. Ultra Ideas Men's House Slippers. Ultra Ideas Men's House Slippers are the ideal choice for men who want to feel like they're walking on a cloud. Featuring a moccasin style, these slippers are made with high-density memory foam and EVA insole cushioning, which provides incredible comfort and absorbs shock when walking. No more sore feet. The fleece lining is soft and plush, perfect for keeping your feet warm without affecting breathability. The faux Sherpa fleece lining provides you a no-sweat comfort while keeps your feet toasty warm in cold winter. The durable rubber outsole with anti-skid traction preventing slips and falls. These slippers are perfect for indoor, walking around the house, walking the dog and picking up mails. Because of their durable TPR rubber outsole, you can wear them on hardwood floors without worrying about scratches or slips. Whether you're getting some mail or snuggling up in bed with a good book, these men's house slippers will keep your feet happy all day long. Number 5. Hanes Men's House Slippers. Hanes Men's House Slippers are the perfect footwear for curling up on the couch and watching TV, or just lounging around the house. Padded with thick memory foam and plaid fleece lining, these slippers will keep your feet warm and cozy. But that's not all. Hanes Fresh IQ technology helps keep odors at bay, so you can wear these slippers all day without worrying about stinky feet. What's more, they have a textured outsole that provides maximum traction and durability, making these men's house slippers perfect for walking around your home or taking an evening stroll. With an open back clog style, these men's house slippers are easy to slip on and off, while their micro-suede exterior adds extra style points. Another perk? They're easy to clean. Just toss them in the washing machine when they need a good scrubbing.